नमस्कार. आयच्या या खाशेल्या हेडोनाक तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आणि आज आमचे बरोबर आसात काँग्रेसीचे नवे डेस्क इन्चार्ज आणि जांचेर पणजी आणि वाळपयच्या इलेक्शनाचे भवितव्य आणि काँग्रेसीचे भवितव्य आदारला ते डॉक्टर ए चेल्लाकुमार. सर, वेलकम टू द शो. सर, you are not new to Goa. You are not new to Goa Congress, and you are not new to the kind of leadership of Congress we have in Goa. You have been here for last 3 years, and you are one desk in charge who can just take the charge and start running, because you are always here and you have been here for last three years. So, what are the kind of mistakes that you would like to correct, considering the performances of your predecessors?
There was no mistakes. Then when there is no mistake, how can I say that, how can I acknowledge that there is a mistake?
Okay, I'll ask the same question in a different way. How are you looking at your agenda, and what are your primary focus points?
See, I am an organizational man. Any organizational man will first give the priority to rejuvenate the organization. So, today I am in Congress, not because of an individual, it is because of an ideology. So, Congress has their own ideology, and we never compromised our ideology with for any reason.
Taking over, and there are two crucial by-elections just few months away. How are you looking at both these by-elections? We'll start with Walpai and then we will move to Panjim. Now, Walpai is a by-election which is thrust upon your party by your own MLA. How do you look at it? Because you have been in touch with the MLA from last so many months.
Yeah.
Before the elections. You have been in continuous touch. You have spoken with him. You have strategized with him for the Congress party. How do you look at him right now?
It's a very unfortunate thing. I never expected it also from him. A man whose brought up was totally, I can say, from his birth, it is with the Congress. A man who his entire life was with the Congress. The party has given so much of the thing, and suddenly in a crucial time, that too against the principal ideology, and joining hands with somebody for the power. It is a very unfortunate thing. But the day he resigned, I was also little tensed, thinking about our future course in Walpai constituency. But in the last 1 month, the responses I am receiving from Walpai constituency, I never dreamt about that. Now I am very confident that Congress will win that seat very comfortably. There are lot of aspirants are coming forward. They are saying that yes, we are there. All these days we were sidelined. Because of somebody, you have sidelined us. You have not looked into our this thing itself. So now we are ready. We are all Congress people. We want to join Congress. So some of them want to come from other political parties also. So all these things will come to limelight in a course of time.
Vishwajit's main grudge against the party was failure to form the government. And he said that we got the mandate, but we failed to form the government. So Congress has lost its path, Congress has lost its focus, and I don't see any future for a young legislator like myself in this party. That was his primary argument. How would you counter that?
See, more than me, people of Goa knows about Vishwajit's statements. The same Vishwajit, just 5 or 6 months before the election, he himself has given 2 contradictory statements. He has openly gone to the press and has told, if Congress party aligns with somebody, mentioning somebody's name.
Vijay Sardesai's name.
I don't want to mention any.
So I'll mention the name.
My principle, I never used to look into the individuals. I look into only the ideology based like that. So in that way, he has told that if Congress aligns with somebody, I will not be there in the Congress. Same person, Vishwajit, after 10 days, again he put a condition to Congress. If you are not aligned with the same person, I will not be continuing in Congress.
Mm.
So, he is a man of contradictory thing. Always he have confusion in his mind. He is a man of mood. That's only I can tell. He is a best friend of me. In the last 4 years, I had a good with him, friendship with him. He every day, most of the days, if you ask him also, he cannot deny. Most of the days, he used to give me a call in the early morning. He used to discuss with me hours together. I don't want to hide. I have to tell the thing, truth. You can verify with Vishwajit also. On December 13th, 2016, I had a talk with Vishwajit. I went to his house and I had an open talk with him. He was in the impression that Congress will not get even 3 seats. At the eve of the election also. He has told me, Congress will not get even 3 seats. Then where is the doctor, why you are working hard? Where is the question of Congress coming back to power? But I explained to him, Vishwajit, you are in the wrong impression. See, BJP, by giving some benefits for trying to get the voters' sympathy, people definitely, those who are in the power, yes, because it is not from anybody's pocket. It's the public money. From the public money they are distributing. It's not from anybody's individual pockets. From this thing they are giving that. So their gratitude has to be with the government, not with the political party. So I told him, so you are in the wrong impression. Congress will come back with a thumping majority, I told him also. So now today also, he was saying that the Congress has not formed the government when the opportunity was given. It is not like that. Opportunity was given. But the people also knows that Congress has not got 21 seats. When you want to form a government, you need 21. In a democracy, you need 21. Congress has got only 17 plus 1, 18. But we were also lagging of 3 saying. Yes, I agree, certain friends, they came forward to support the Congress to keep away the communal force. So in spite of that, we were on discussion. In the meantime, those who got elected by saying to the public, by giving an assurance to the public, if I voted back to, if I was voted, I will never in my life support BJP. By giving an assurance to the people only, they also got elected. BJP got only 13 seats. All the rest of the 26 seats were won by only the anti-BJP voters. So, those who got elected and supported the BJP government to form this thing like that, they all cheated the public.
The primary allegation on the Congress is that Congress was unable to decide who should be the chief minister. Congress was unable to break the hurdle because of that, and that resulted in the delay and allowed ample of time to the BJP to garner the numbers.
No, it is totally wrong, this thing. See, people wants to cover up their own mistakes. So to escape from the public anger, they are just putting a blame on Congress and they are thinking that they can escape. It is not like that. See, some people have told, you elect your leader. Yes. Electing a leader, all the MLAs has to be there. On 11th, 6 o'clock, we called a meeting, MLAs meeting. But that time, in certain constituencies, they have not declared the candidate itself. For an example, in Kunkulim, they declared only by 9 o'clock. In Kangona, after 10 o'clock only they declared. In Valim constituency. So without declaration, how can I call a meeting of MLAs? How can I elect their leader? Because they also have the constitutional right. They have to participate in their voting. So that's the reason, though we call the meeting on 6 o'clock, on 11th March, we are forced to postpone it for the 12th, 11 o'clock again. So in the between that, before Congress CLP meeting took place, already early morning itself the Deal was struck.
You are saying
we
the
could
deal
not
was
able to-
struck. You are saying the deal was struck before even Congress CLP meeting could begin.
Yes. No, Congress CLP meeting took place on 11th, 6 o'clock also.
Yeah.
But that time, many of the constituencies, the candidates were not declared.
Correct.
So, see, we.
You are saying before on 12th March, before even Congress could group together, the deal was already struck.
Yes.
The allegation against Congress is that Congress should have staked the claim. Even Supreme Court asked you, why did you not stake the claim? Don't you think that was a tactical error? Congress should have staked the claim, and then at least you would have bought more time to strategize and move further.
Yes, I agree with you. There was a discussion took place in the party office. I called PCC president by 5 o'clock because 6 o'clock was supposed to be the meeting, MLA's meeting. So I called the PCC president by 5 o'clock and asked him to prepare the letter. So PCC president, Mr. Luzin Filtro, also prepared the letter. It was in the system. Then after that, we called the MLA. Some of the MLAs came. Some of the senior leaders also has come. Then there was a discussion. See, people, the different viewpoints will come. So someone has told that after electing the leader, then only you have to go to the governor. Then we discussed with consulted with the lawyers also. Then they said on behalf of the party we can give a letter.
Absolutely. The
the
Pradesh Congress Committee
Yes.
president can give the letter.
Yeah, yes, it is.
Yeah.
So Pradesh Congress Committee president was insisting to give a letter. There is no doubt about it.
Now you are going to the Panjim election, and the chief minister is facing the election, and as per the constitution,
Chief minister means how? Yes, he is the chief minister.
yes, and he is facing the election, and as per the constitutional provisions, chief minister is the government. If the chief minister goes, the government goes. So that's the norm. So this by-election is that crucial. This by-election is probably the election of the government. And people are watching Congress very keenly, very minutely. What kind of candidate you are going to give, what kind of face and what kind of front you are going to put forth. What's your strategy?
This election, the entire campaign of the BJP was led by Manohar Parrikar. He has sent a message to the public. If voted back to power, BJP, he would be the chief minister choice. So by knowingly only people has rejected him. With what moral right? Because the people talking about high about their morality, principle. So I couldn't understand how he could able to come with everything like that.
No, but for now, he is the chief minister of the state.
I'll tell you. Yeah. Now this thing is very clear. So people of Panjim has got a chance now. If the government has to go means, yes. If he is defeated in Panjim, the government will automatically go. So this is a golden chance given in a golden platter to people. So people have to say it now.
Now the point is, he is the sitting chief minister and he is going to the election. Why do you think people of Panjim should defeat a candidate who is already a chief minister, and why they should choose somebody else whom they don't know and whose future is uncertain? Why do you ask people of Panjim to vote against a sitting chief minister?
Now this is a chance to withdraw the government itself. So this is the most this thing. So this will be a lesson for the future. If the youngsters, think about the youngsters, they want to cleanse the politics.
But then the onus also lies on the Congress to give a clean candidate.
No, see, the thing is very clear. Whatever I feel, that is not only the thing. I have to take the opinion from the voters also, from that organizational structures also. I have to take everybody into confidence. And winnability is also very important. In any electoral thing, winnability is the main thing. You have to take into consideration. Yes, I can give a very clean image to persons. But if the winnability is not there,
You are saying it is not enough to be clean. It is
no,
also
no.
required to be electable.
It's inelectable. So that's what I'm telling. This is a one golden opportunity. Not only Panjim, it is in Walpai also. So Walpai also, people have voted for Viswajit on Congress because he is a candidate, as a Congress candidate, people have voted. Within 48 hours, he has ditched the people. He cheated the people, backstabbed the people, saying. So now this is a golden opportunity. It has given to them. Whether you want only an opportunist as your representative, even in the future also, or you want to cleanse the political scenario of the Goa. So Goa people are highly literated people.
Then the question arises. Then
they can teach a lesson to this type of opportunity.
People are quite capable of teaching a lesson.
Yes,
no doubt about it.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling.
Elections after elections, people have proved that.
I am appealing to the people. Don't miss this opportunity.
But the question arises,
if you miss this opportunity, the Goa politics will be like this only, even for another 20, 30 years.
People will ask you a very simple question. If you are asking us to defeat a chief minister, a sitting chief minister, then who will be your chief minister? Ultimately, it's about the leader who takes the flock ahead. Who is the leader of your flock? Because there has been many apprehensions in the minds of people that when it comes to deciding a chief minister, Congress holds back.
No.
Congress somehow goes into the shell and says that wo baad mein dekhenge.
The leader is not an issue. Our Bible is the party's manifesto. So whoever the chief minister, they have to run the government with the Congress party's ideology and also Congress party's manifesto. So within the framework of this only they have to work.
So still Congress wouldn't tell people that who will lead the flock?
No, anybody can lead the flock. See, this is chief ministership is nobody's birthright. It is not anybody's birthright. Anybody become an MLA, or if the MLAs get elected, anybody outside this thing also, they can become a chief minister. So why you want to insist only one person or two person like that? Everybody has the capacity.
So you are keeping an option open of even getting a good, clean person from outside and making him a chief minister.
Why
if
not?
People of Panjim defeat the present chief minister.
Why not?
So all cards are very close to your chest. You will open them only after the by-election.
Yes. No, our focus is with the by-election now. Defeating Manohar Parrikar and Viswajit in respective constituencies. So after getting elected.
And as far as the chief minister is concerned, you are saying Congress party can look even beyond the present lot and the elected lot.
No, I am not saying like that. Don't put the words in.
No, I am not putting. I am just trying to understand.
It's very clear. No, it is very clear. I have told very clearly. In a democracy, anybody can become a chief minister, provided the legislative party has to elect.
So you are saying let's not close that option before the election.
Yes, naturally. I am not an astrologer. How can I say tomorrow this man is going to become chief minister or that man is going to become a chief minister? I cannot say like that.
There's another very crucial question. People also want to know whether Congress is little apprehensive about the post by-election scenario, where if some of the allies in the present government want to come back to Congress or want to shift their sides, then they will have very strong reservations about certain personalities in the present Congress party. Is party also thinking that considering the views of the allies, this option should be open, should not be closed right now also, even when the chief minister is going for the election? Is that also playing in your mind?
No, my mind is very clear. Congress is also very clear. We don't have any confusion. I don't think anybody is blocking the way for any of this thing. Everybody is having very clear mindset, and everybody wants Congress government has to come back. Everybody is ready to sacrifice for their sake, for the particular cause. So, same time, yes, we have to keep away the communal force. We have to throw the government. It's a number game. So, democracy is the number is the main thing. 21 is the magic number. So, yes, if somebody... if somebody is coming in, then we will welcome.
There are many questions raised about the commitment of the present Congress MLAs towards Congress right now. The issue is people would like to see whether you win the by-election or you lose the by-election. People would like to see your prominent leaders fiercely campaigning with full commitment in this election.
Yeah, naturally.
Will we see that?
Yes,
Can we expect the new desk in charge to ensure that?
Yeah, I'll ensure it.
That no big leader of Congress is shying away. Shying away from
nobody
campaigning.
Is shying away.
Nobody is shying away from
Nobody
campaigning against Vishwajit Rane. Or nobody is shying away from campaigning against Manohar Parrikar.
See, I'll tell you. Nobody is shying away campaigning against the BJP candidates. I know why you are putting this question. When you mentioned about Vishwajit Rane, yes, I have to give the reply. That's why I told in the beginning also, we believe only in the inclusive politics. We don't want to divide anybody, society, like BJP or some other political parties. See, in this country also, there is a, people should understand one thing.
So all will campaign fiercely.
Yes, but that's what I'm telling. So in this circumstance, yes, Senior Rane, Pratap Singh Rane is a statesman. Everybody knows about it. Is in no question about his integrity. He was all along loyal to Congress party. Now, against his wish, his son has joined BJP. So I don't want to force him to go on campaign against Vishwajit. I don't want to create a rift among the father and son. If he wants, yes, yeah, he can. It is up to him to decide.
I fully agree with Pratap Singh Rane. As far as other leaders are concerned, they will fiercely. The desk in charge will ensure that they fiercely campaign.
100%. Everybody will say.
So all other leaders will be there in Panjim.
100%. As a true congressman, everybody will be there.
Last question.
If somebody is not campaigning, then
we'll take action.
They cannot be a true congressman also, naturally.
But then people will expect some action against them because you are somebody who has always put party first.
Yes.
There will be action.
There will be action. No. Why should you honestly asking a hypothetical question? I hope everybody will be there.
Yeah. If not, you are saying the path of action is open.
See, I am 100% confident that everybody will be there.
Okay.
Then where is the question of taking action is coming?
Last question. Post-by-election scenario. Something happens in future. And if the likes of Sudhin Dawlikar and Vijay Sardesai wants to come back and ally with the Congress, the doors are open.
See,
this is not a hypothetical question. It's a very realistic question. Yeah.
What do we mean? It's also a hypothetical question only.
No, but it's a possibility that can happen.
See, politics means all possibilities is there.
Yeah.
This thing is definitely our aim will be to keep away the communal party, communal government, because now this is totally a communal type of party. Totally is a communal party. So for that, we will have a talk with anyone, but you have to ask them only.
Doors are open. Doors are open.
Yeah, naturally, because we have only 18 in our hand. This is now 16. So we require another 5. So another 5 people has to come. They have to come and extend their support to defeat this government, to topple this government. If they are really interested in secular principle, if they are really committed to their own voters,
they should rethink. Last thing, there is a talk that many of the Congress MLAs are in touch with the BJP. Are any BJP MLAs in touch with you? Are any BJP?
Many BJP MLAs also in touch with me. See, like how BJP want to they want to send a message and get a political sympathy, like that. I am not like a person. Yes, lot of people are in touch with me.
BJP MLAs are in touch with you?
Yeah, BJP MLAs are in touch with me. There are also so many people are sending feelers also.
They want to join Congress?
Yes.
There are BJP MLAs who want to join Congress?
Yes.
And you are negotiating with them right now?
I am not saying that I am negotiating with them. But there's...
Talks are on?
Yeah. They are sending their feelers. Yes.
You are saying the Congress is not approaching them, but they are approaching the Congress.
See, certain things I cannot disclose outside.
I fully understand. Doctor, pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.